like I said, United States of America election is not Nigeria election. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your friend, African Queen, present in the show. What's up, people? Waiting the shell or getting what is happening. Yes, I'm back again today with a very important topic that I want us to discuss. It's about this election going on everywhere. Yes, imagine the Nigerians. Yes, you are dragging the United States election. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Do you realize that people stand here under the rain, under the sun, trying to vote? Nobody forced them to go and vote. They walk in there to vote. Everything was organized. They look into everything. Even if they think maybe there is mistake somewhere, they will still check it. They will still look into it. They can't just leave it like that. You think those people working in those ballot office that they are not serious? Let me tell you, they are serious. For you to get in there, you have to go with your ID. You have to go with your ID to vote. You can't just come in like that and you want to vote. There is a process. They will look into your ID. They will direct you where to go. And you have to go and vote. The voting, nobody is telling you vote for this person or vote for that person. It's up to you. You are the one who know who to vote to. I know in Nigeria you can vote, but your vote don't count. What we should focus more in Nigeria is to fix that country. If the country cannot be fixed, that is the reason why the Biafrans are asking for their freedom. For them to let them go. Yes, nobody wants to divide Nigeria. Nobody wants to divide the country. But can people be treated equally? Can they do things right without partiality? Can they do things right without cheating each other? Yes, let's say the president, they did what they're supposed to do, right? Giving the allocation to the local government, the councillors, or the governors, who's supposed to bring the allocation to the community, build the road, good infrastructures. Are they doing it? You have your car, but the road is not good. You go to northern side, they look good, their road look good. Come to eastern side, it's not. That is why people are crying. People are perishing. So can we just focus on what is going on over there? Can we focus on what is happening there? Let that government, let those people who call themselves leaders, let them take the authority. They're supposed to do things in a right way, and not the authority to handle people unequally. Please. You think United States, they play around with their votes? I don't think so. If they think something is wrong with their votes, they are ready to recount it. They are ready to do everything to make sure everything works out fine with their vote. Yes, some other countries in Africa or different places, they will maybe beg people, gather people, give them things in order to contribute to voting. Here, it's not like that. They will tell you, you know what you're supposed to do? Vote who you think you want to vote to. And they will do that. If they think what they did is not right, they will reject it. They will investigate on it. They will investigate on it. They cannot just leave it like that. Please. This question of this one win or that one win, this one is not about the red state or the blue state. It's all about the United States. That's what they're talking about. Let there be unity. Let people be treated equally. Understand? So it's not about this person is the best or this person is not the best. No, leadership is not easy. To be a leader is not easy. Leadership is not an easy thing. So when you see somebody contesting to be a leader, there is a lot that will go on in leadership. And people are requesting also for a lot. Different people requesting for different things. Everybody in their own opinion. Please let them stop this. This one did this one did this. And I have said this several times. For those who think that they know this future very well, all our prayer is let the future be good. Let the future be right. Let God help us with the future. Yes, you can plan the future, plan everything, plan business, plan everything. Still, you will still arrest it in the hands of God. You will still ask God, please God, let this thing that I'm planning to do, let it work out fine. That's what we are praying for. Nobody is praying for fight. Nobody is praying for quarrel. Nobody is praying for war. Even if, like they say, let's say, so many people now denying that they are not Igbos. They are denying that they are not Igbos. Nne, onye Igbo ka nwo, nwafe Igbo ka nwo, nwa Biafra ka nwo, anaghị ezo ya ezo. Nwanne ọbara is thicker. The blood is thicker than water. Ihe m na-agwa ndị a na-edina anyị na ha wụzi ndị Igbo today. Jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ. Ask your blood. Is my blood Igbo blood? That's what you're supposed to ask. Is your DNA Igbo blood? It's not about denying you are not from here, you are not from here. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter where you live. But what matters is, Otowolishi. However, you denied that you are not Igbo, one way or the other. One day, you will raise up your hand and say, Awumoni Igbo. It's too much. People, they will cut your name, you know them, you cut it from here, cut it from here. No problem. Then you come back and say, Ochman, no wahala. Nobody is fighting you. It's just that the Igbos feel maybe they are not treated right the way they're supposed to. Or Oshi governor Sanaka. Or Oshi, the whole people managing the country. Naka. So one day, Anyaga happy to why I can assassinate. Okay? It doesn't matter, Ebonyeno. Like we are here, we're trying to teach our children to speak Igbo. Hana ekwu oyibo m na-asụrụ ha Igbo. Ha na-asụ oyibo m na-asụrụ ha Igbo. Ị na-aghọtala ma ha ga-amụtakwa ya. It's very important. Okay, if you come to America now, yes, so many people speaking Spanish. Everybody learning Spanish. There's some job. I got choking, you know. They require me na so Spanish. You know, for those of you, ndị na-ahụ ha sị ha hụrụ the future, onye nke asị ya hụrụ nke onye ukomita na-agagharị kwa. Agwụle m before, onye ukomita na-agagharị. So that they will know the people who are misleading people. They will also know people ndị na-anọ direct from the Holy Spirit or not. Onye ukomita na-agagharị. Ya ba ndị mmadụ na ntị, they don't understand it. Anaghị aghọta ihe a na-ekwu. Oh my goodness. So, United States election is totally different. One is different. You have to stand there, you have to walk in there and make sure you vote. Your vote will count. Any fight. Nobody is asking you, know the person you want to vote to. It doesn't matter. Only vote. It is up to you. It's your opinion. Is what do you feel? What do you think that is right for you, that you want to do? Oh my goodness. Let's focus. Can we focus? Nigeria, focus. Let's face that country. Okay? so that everything will work out right. So that when people go to vote in Nigeria, let their vote count. Stop digging into what is not your own business. Check and see if your vote will count in Nigeria, if they counted your own vote. So let it not be that maybe you voted and your vote was not counted. So even if they made a mistake, if there is any mistake anywhere, they will still check it. They will still investigate it. Even if now somebody you come out and say this thing happened or this thing happened, this one, they will still investigate it. They will check on it and make sure that whatever they are saying is being proved and there is confirmation on what that person has said. They cannot just put everything and gather it and put in one basket. Why? No. Please, let's just be serious for 1 minute concerning this voting of a thing. Is totally different how they handle it here and over there in Nigeria or in anywhere in Africa. It's not the same. Here, people stand, like I said earlier, they stand under the sun, under the rain. They want to vote. How many people contribute in Nigeria voting? How many? On voting day, so many people would not even go vote. Coming to United States, I'm like, seriously? People lining up like this to vote? Seriously? Even under the sun, under the rain? Are you serious? Yes, they are serious. So even if there is any problem in their voting or in anywhere in the computer, they will still check it. They will still investigate to know if everything worked out amicably. They cannot just come out and say blah 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 blah. No, 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 no. Guys, we are out for business. I will catch you guys again on my next video. Remember, let's move forward. One love, keep us together. No child left behind. Together we stand in Christ Jesus. Thank you. I remember this. Meet you guys again on my next video.